Oh, hey. Glad you're here. I'm Jeff, founder of BestTechie, a place where we've been talking about technology since 2003. My goal is to make your life in a technology-driven world a bit simpler, to help you get the most from your tech. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, an Apple fanatic like myself, a work-from-home employee, or someone who simply loves technology and all that it does for us, this is the channel for you. I'm here to give you tons of great content, such as new product reviews, helpful tips and tricks, and the Techie Bites podcast. There's even an exclusive newsletter and members-only Discord server. And the best news? It's all free. So if you like tech, and chances are you probably do, since you're still here, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. Make sure you get all the latest notifications for all our videos. I'll see you next time. And remember, take care of your tech.